This game is playing itself. Every single click you're watching was recorded once, about 30 seconds of my time, and now it just loops for as long as I like. No code, no setup, one small free app. First things first, installing. QHuman is a Microsoft Store app, so there's nothing to babysit. Search QHuman in the store or head to tryhardinfinity.com and click Get QHuman Free. Both routes land on the exact same store page. Hit Get, and Windows handles the rest. Updates included. When it's done, open it up. You'll see a little welcome window, your version, and what's new since last time. If you'd rather not see that on every launch, tick Don't show this again, then hit OK. And that's it. No account, no setup wizard. You're ready to record. Now for the fun part. You'll want to target with nice obvious clicks for your first macro. I'm using Gold Mine, a little idle game where the gold, sadly, does not mine itself. Anything clickable works though, and on QHuman's toolbar, the only button that matters right now is Record. Click Record or press Ctrl plus F9. That one works from anywhere. The window tucks itself out of the way, and this small recording macro indicator is all that's left. And from this exact moment, everything you do with the mouse is being captured. So, let's just play. I'll mine some gold and grab an upgrade once I can afford it. Take your time here, really. Your pauses get recorded too, and that natural rhythm is exactly what makes the playback look human instead of robotic. When you're done, click Stop on the indicator or press Ctrl plus Alt plus S. The window comes back, and it's not empty anymore. This right-hand side is the editor. Every click you made is now a row in the action table. Its position, its timing, everything. Above the table sits the sequences list, holding the take you just recorded. Record again, and a second take stacks underneath. But one is plenty for today. Before saving, give the table a quick once-over. I've got a stray click at the end, where I dithered over the wrong upgrade. No need to re-record anything. Just right-click the row, choose Delete, and it's gone. If a click landed slightly off, double-click its row instead. Up comes an edit window with the position and the timing, so you can nudge one value without redoing the whole recording. And that's the tidy up done. Right then. Let's make it permanent. Click Save on the toolbar or press Ctrl plus S. Give it a name you'll actually recognise in a month. Gold Mine Grinder. OK. It lands in the left-hand panel. That's your macro library. Everything you save is written to disk, and I'll prove exactly what that means in a couple of minutes. Now, the payoff. Click Play All or press Ctrl plus F10. The window steps aside, the indicator swaps to playing macro, and QHuman replays your run, click for click, pause for pause. Once through is nice, but looping is the point. Back in the editor, open the Playback tab. 3 options. Play a fixed number of times, loop forever until you stop it, or loop for a set number of seconds. I'll pick loop forever. Then play all again. And just look at that. The gold now mines itself. All night, if I let it. Which means you need to know how to stop it. 2 ways. Ctrl plus Alt plus S is the stop hotkey. And if things ever feel out of hand, slam your cursor into any corner of the screen. That's the fail-safe. It's on by default, and it always works. Speaking of hotkeys, you've actually been using the global ones all along. Ctrl plus F9 records. Ctrl plus F10 plays. Ctrl plus Alt plus S stops. And they work even when QHuman isn't the focused window. But you can also give this one macro a key of its very own. Next to playback is the hotkey tab. Click the field, it says press a key combination, so I'll press Ctrl plus 1, then click Apply. The binding goes live immediately, no restart. Okay, watch this. QHuman's minimized, I'm in the game, and I press Ctrl plus 1. The macro fires from anywhere. Bind a key to each favourite macro and honestly, you'll barely open the window at all. One last thing worth trusting. Your work is safe. I'll close QHuman completely and open it again. And the library comes back exactly as I left it. Macro, hotkey and all. Your saves live on disk, and they survive app updates too. Right-click a macro to rename it or delete it from disk. And if you delete one and regret it, the History button on the toolbar keeps recent deletes ready to restore. Saved means saved. So that's the core of QHuman. Record once, replay forever. But there's a bigger trick in here. QHuman can watch the screen and react, clicking things the moment they appear, like this. That's detection. And the next video, Detection 101, build your first screen watching macro from scratch. And there you have it, lovelies. If you'd like to join the community, the Discord link's in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.